Hello everyone, thank you for watching, appreciate your time. Here we are, 03 Saga GTS. We are, this is part 2 of the front bumper segment. Just redoing it. Bumper has some issues. And I'll show you what my wonderful colleague and partner here loves to do with these bad boys. Have a nasty crack right here.
Had a tear there, and then epoxy.
So how we repair them?
Epoxy repair.
So there is epoxy, but inside the epoxy there is a metal plate
For reinforcement.
we use as reinforcement, or right over the crack, to really give it some rigidity and so it won't break again so easily. And this actually will strength. It definitely, the other side will break before this will. And then we go over it again with more epoxy, and there you go. And it works great. It's cheap, and you never even know what happened. It's just coming out beautiful. So thank you, my wonderful colleague. You're the best. Silver Dreams Performance, S&D Auto, Ramirez Twins Racing, Discovery Japan, which is gone, but not forgotten. And then we'll come back with primer and paint. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time.